DoorDash lets drivers earn money by delivering food and other items using their own vehicles through the DoorDash app. By the end, you'll know how DoorDash works, what factors affect your earnings, and how to decide if driving for DoorDash makes sense for you in 2026. The biggest mistake new drivers make is looking only at delivery payments and ignoring the costs that come with using their own car. DoorDash works by connecting customers who place orders with independent delivery drivers, called Dashers. Drivers choose when they want to work, accept delivery requests, and complete orders through the app. The main benefit is flexibility. You can choose your own schedule instead of working fixed shifts. The main challenge is that you are responsible for your own expenses. Gas, vehicle maintenance, insurance, and extra mileage all affect your actual profit. A delivery that looks profitable at first can be less valuable after you calculate the time and vehicle costs involved. The best way to judge DoorDash is to track your own numbers. Record how much you earn from deliveries, how many miles you drive, how much you spend on fuel, and how many hours you work. These numbers show your real hourly return better than looking at individual orders. Your location also affects your experience. Drivers in areas with more restaurants, more customers, and higher order demand may have different results compared with drivers in smaller markets. Timing matters too. Many drivers focus on periods when more people are ordering food, because demand can affect the number of available delivery opportunities. Your vehicle choice also changes the math. A car with lower fuel and maintenance costs may leave you with more money after expenses compared with a vehicle that costs more to operate. DoorDash can be a useful option for people who want flexible income and are comfortable managing their own expenses. It may not be the right choice for someone who wants predictable pay, or does not want additional wear on their vehicle. The smartest approach is to test it like a business decision. Track your results for several weeks, and compare your earnings after expenses. Your own delivery history will tell you whether DoorDash fits your goals. The main points are simple. DoorDash offers flexible delivery work. Your real profit depends on expenses and efficiency, and tracking your own numbers is the best way to decide if driving is worth it in 2026. Your next step is to calculate your average earnings per hour after fuel and vehicle costs. If this helped you understand whether DoorDash is worth driving for in 2026, like the video and subscribe for more practical side gig reviews.